experience. And here's Mark Dipko to tell you more about that.
Thanks, Mike. Earlier, Dave mentioned Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Hyundai was the first to introduce Android Auto on its vehicles and one of the first to adopt CarPlay. Those familiar applications that connect customers to their vehicles are now on more than 75% of our lineup. Coupled with our evolving My Hyundai app and BlueLink connected car platform, we offer class-leading connectivity. To provide a better ownership experience, we've made it even easier for customers to connect their vehicles with a smartwatch, smartphone, tablet, or laptop. And just yesterday, at the Tech Pavilion, we unveiled our BlueLink skill for Amazon Alexa. Alexa allows any Hyundai owner with our second-generation BlueLink to remotely start their cars, adjust the cabin temperature, and lock and unlock the doors from the comfort of their home using only their voice. And specifically with the Ioniq plug-in and electric, we've enabled the Alexa skill to also manage charging, allowing our customers to take advantage of lower electricity rates. Now, while we work closely with companies like Amazon, Apple, and Google, we're also focused on the startup community, an incredibly fertile ground for new ideas. Our Hyundai Ventures division has developed partnerships with Silicon Valley startup communities, such as Stanford University StartX and the House at UC Berkeley, to build relationships with founders and entrepreneurs. Through Hyundai's continued presence in Silicon Valley, we met several companies and the visionaries behind them, intent on creating change and disrupting the automotive market. One of them is SmartCar.com. SmartCar's connected car platform allows developers to easily bring their mobility services into connected vehicles. SmartCar creates a simple and secure car-to-cloud connection to enable services ranging from in-car delivery and on-demand fueling to car sharing, smart home integrations, and more. We're working with SmartCar to address a potential issue EV buyers face, and that's the lack of access to charging infrastructure. By developing an on-demand parking and charging service, Ioniq EV owners living in major cities like San Francisco or New York could have their vehicle picked up at night and returned fully charged in the morning for their morning commute. As a result of this connectivity, we can make zero-emission mobility accessible to a whole new group of customers. We also met Isaac Deutsch and Zoli Honig, along with their team at Wavecar. Wavecar offers the world's first free zero-emission car-sharing service, and it's right here in Santa Monica. Rather than collecting fees from drivers, Wavecar earns revenue through geo-based advertising on each car's high-resolution connected display. We're working with Wavecar to increase access to clean mobility. Our partnership will provide a fleet of Ioniqs that will allow Wavecar to expand their operations to all of Los Angeles in early 2017, and additional markets are planned for the second half of the year. This will connect customers with a better way to get around the city and provide an opportunity to experience the Ioniq for free in one of the most revolutionary mobility services available. Now, these are just a few examples of how we're approaching mobility. At CES, we'll present a greater vision that extends to every part of our customers' daily life, from the aforementioned autonomous Ioniq concept, to innovative last-mile solutions for commuters, to personal mobility devices that allow individuals with limited movement to maintain their freedom. We'll also show the results of our partnership with IDEO to explore the intersection between health and mobility, and our partnership with Cisco to develop the high-speed vehicle infrastructure capable of handling the enormous amounts of data transmitted both inside and outside of the vehicle. It's an incredibly exciting time in our industry, and invite you to stay tuned to see where we're headed. We've now shown you how our vision for future mobility is environmentally friendly and infinitely connected. But making it easy to access for a new type of buyer requires something more, something better. It requires a new ownership model, the first such model in the automotive industry. Dean Evans has more on this exciting new concept.